Happy Friday once again, my cash cow family. From Carmel by the Sea, but not for very much longer. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on my me moving to Mexico and getting the hell out of the United States of America. And I wouldn't have thought in a million years, guys, that I would ever say that about America. But what a shit show. Especially where I live in California. It's absolutely asinine. But I made the first step yesterday and got my passport taken care of. You know what's crazy, guys? I hide shit. So I had to file a form because I lost my last passport. Actually, I didn't lose it. It's in this home somewhere. But I hide shit and I forget where I put it. But it had already expired last year anyway. But just another step I had to take. And I had to go to UPS to get my photo taken because the post office, their camera was broken. Kind of like the McDonald's ice cream machine. Have you ever gone to McDonald's and they tell you, we're sorry it's broken? Yeah, that happens about every time. But anyway, enough about McDonald's. Guys, I was able to get my passport, all that taken care of, and she told me I got it expedited. So she said I should receive it in 4 to 6 weeks. And I don't know why I keep looking down here because you guys know I don't do scripts. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on where I'm going to be moving to and show you some videos and pictures. And because that's where you're going to see this beautiful face in the coming months. And I absolutely can't wait to be making videos, making money online on the frickin' beach and all that good stuff. So if that interests you, I do urge you to stick around for the whole frickin' video, which you never do. I don't know why. Why? Tell me in the comments below why. I'll flip it around, guys, and we'll get this Mexico party started. If you're new here, no, I'm not on drugs. But I haven't made 3 videos in one day or in 2 hours in probably 2 years. But I think it's my excitement, guys. Can you feel the excitement? And I'll show you some money-making tips, too. So, let's go. Did you miss me? I know, I say that every time because I'm very original over here. Anyway, guys, I want to give you a quick money-making tip. And one of the ways that I'm able to go to Mexico is, for one, is from my Shopify e-commerce store, print on demand. Guys, in my opinion, and I've said this for months now, and I've also given you a 3-month trial for Shopify, so there shouldn't be any excuses, but is from Shopify. One of the ways. The other ways is from Kartra, affiliate marketing, other products. But guys, if I could tell you one thing to do is start a Shopify print-on-demand store. You don't even have to use Shopify if you don't have money. But I don't know how you don't have $1 or $2 or $3 to build the thing. But you could simply sign up for Printify and Printful, the print-on-demand companies, and just start a store on Etsy because it costs you 20 cents per listing on Etsy. And I haven't made a ton of money on Etsy, but I do from time to time, and there's no effort, right? Etsy does all the marketing for you guys. And I'm sure you've seen a million videos on Etsy and print on demand, but guys, it's the easiest way to make money for beginners, in my opinion, if you're trying to make money online. So, I mean, you can see what I've done this month in sales. Obviously, that's not all profit because you know, or if you don't know, I show you guys exactly what it takes to make to get these sales. So let's say, let's just say it's 3,200. What is that? 1,600 after product cost, and then about $600 on ads. I've made like $1,000. Actually, I think it's $1,100 I've made this month in pure profit, guys. And this is the website. I've showed this many times before, but I'll show it again. And guys, I just added some tank tops to the store a couple days ago, I think. What do you think? How awesome is that? That's the back of it. Well, obviously. But guys, this stuff isn't rocket science, as I always say. You just got to get in and take action, guys. As my dad said, get off your dead ass son and do it. Take action, whatever. And speaking of parents, my mother and my sister's fiance, who's been her fiance for fucking 10 years. I don't know what's going on there. Great guy. But my mom is coming here for the first time next Thursday. So that's what, 5 days and a wake up, 6 days and a wake up. And I'm so excited for her to come here. But what sucks is that I haven't told, you're the only people that I've basically told that I'm moving to Mexico. And I'm thinking I'm not even going to tell my parents or my sister, or, well, one of my daughters does know. And she's like, Dad, go. Probably because she wants to come. But yeah, I haven't, my parents are very negative. I mean, they're old school. They're both 76 years old. And I have a feeling that if I was to tell my mother, she might have a heart attack. And that would be her second one. And I certainly do not want to be killing my mother by telling her that I am leaving California for Mexico. They're going to lose their mind. And I don't care. I am so sick of living my life for everybody else, which I've done my entire life. I've always been a people pleaser and all that stuff, guys. And I have a heart of gold and all that, but yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I might have to make a video with her reaction. But again, I don't know what I'm gonna tell her. So, but enough of that, guys. Again, I'll put a link for a 3-month trial for Shopify if you do want to. If you do want to try your hand at this, again, guys. I mean, I've said this before. This website took me like a week to make. I make the logos. I do all of that. But it's super simple, guys. Just get in and just start doing shit. And I'm actually starting a new website because I don't like what I'm selling here as far as maybe copyright stuff with the titties, which is supposed to say Titleist. So I'm going to start a whole new website. And I'm starting a new an Etsy print-on-demand store for my two daughters back in Colorado. So blah to the blah to the blah. Do you want to see where I'm going to move to? Let me show you. That's not it, but this is like a backup. Now I'm moving to Puerto Aventuras, which is between Playa del Carmen and Tulum. And Playa del Carmen is like 30 minutes from Cancun, which I'm sure you all know about Cancun. And Playa del Carmen is just, I've been there probably 15, 20 times, there in Tulum and Acapulco and all that stuff. And I absolutely love Mexico and their culture. And the price is right too, guys. Let me just show you. It took me a long time to find this place. Now I haven't booked my stay yet, but my plan is this is the balcony where I'll be making some videos for you guys. It's just a little two bedrooms, 4 beds, 2 baths. etc., etc. It has a wonderful pool there. And obviously, it's all furnished, guys. How much do you think this place is going to cost me? Hey, there's a coconut. So there's the master bedroom, which is a California King, which I need. It's got some dated TVs, but whatever. I'm not there to watch TV. This is a much better TV, I think. Yeah. And my daughters, they've got a couple bunk beds. And then whoever else wants to sleep here. The kitchen, the pool again, the bathroom, the view. But anyway, guys, as you can see up here, I'll be paying $50 a night. And if you do it, I'm making it for 6 months. So I'm checking in June 15th, checking out November 15th. That's tentative. But total includes fees, not tax, is about $8,300. Basically, it comes out to like, I don't know, $1,400 a month, something like that. But the reviews, well, there's not many reviews, but the people are supposed to be awesome. Obviously, it comes with internet. I guess internet's a big deal. You know, getting good internet in Mexico is kind of a big deal. So we got all that. So yeah. What do you think? Comment down below. Do you think I'm insane? Because I basically did this on just a whim. I was watching another guy's channel, William Tadian, who I mentioned last time, and he inspired me to go and do it. I'm not doing anything here that I can't be doing in beautiful Mexico, right? I don't caddy much anymore. I'll never lose my job. If you guys don't know, I'm a professional caddy at Pebble Beach Golf Links, which is just right down the road here. And I've been doing that for 15 years. But basically, I have to maintain my seniority out there. I just need to do one round a year. So I think I can do that. So anyway, guys, I think that's all I have for you guys. But I just wanted to show you because I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to, I'm going to get a drone, and I'm going to get a waterproof GoPro, and I'm going to make some epic videos for you guys in the months to come, and obviously show you how to make money or live the laptop lifestyle like I will be doing. So anyway, guys, again, I hope you all have a wonderful Friday. Thank you if you made it this far. Thank you so much for tuning in to my wackiness. But I'll see you guys soon. And again, hope you all have a wonderful Friday and upcoming weekend. And that's all I have. I love you all, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace.